Could be a little windy today across the valley. Definitely windy later this afternoon. Strong winds today and Friday coming up, and the winds finally will die off for a nice weekend. But a lot of sunshine around. If you're outdoors right now, the sun is out. The winds are fairly light, but give it a couple hours, it will get very gusty. Sunshine for the most part the next couple days, really all through the weekend. Not too many clouds, but less wind returns Saturday and Sunday, and temperatures do get a little colder. We have a cold front coming through this afternoon that's causing the wind, but not a huge blast of cold air. But you'll notice, especially at night, there'll be some chillier nights ahead the next few nights. Now, once again, this afternoon, we have a red flag warning for all the valley counties. Actually, Starr County is also under a high wind warning for this afternoon. This goes until 6 p.m. today with the red flag warning, and actually, sorry, 8 p.m. today, but it comes back again tomorrow until 6 p.m. It kind of takes a little break overnight, but today and tomorrow again, red flag warning in effect for all the valley. Very strong winds, very dry air coming in. So you don't want to do any outdoor burning, especially tomorrow when the ground dries out more after the rain today. Current wind speeds aren't too strong, only 10 or 15 miles per hour at the most in some areas, but you can kind of see the colors up there on the top of the screen. That's where the winds start increasing. A little farther to the north, the cold front is kind of near Laredo coming down, and along and behind that front, the winds really pick up. Wind speeds, not off the charts crazy, but 28 sustained in Del Rio, but the gusts will be higher than that as the front passes and throughout tonight and tomorrow. So some strong winds, but then some strong wind gusts on top of that. Temperatures are back up around 81 in McAllen, 79 in Harlingen, 75 in Rio Grande City. And you know what? It's feeling pretty good out there right now. That's why I say get out there and enjoy the nice afternoon. This will be the warmest day left for a good time until sometime maybe later next week. But let's check out future track winds. We have northwesterly winds ready to come in. This is 2 p.m. when the winds should start to be picking up across the area. West and northwesterly winds, the yellowish orangish colors there indicate about a 20 to 30 mile per hour sustained wind, but gusts could be up around 40, maybe 45, even 50 miles per hour or slightly higher at times in spots. And then by tonight, 6 p.m., still very windy. You notice the winds decrease some overnight. You see the colors kind of go back toward the bluish, greenish colors, indicate a little decrease in the wind speed, but still very strong near the coast overnight. And tomorrow, you notice the winds also pick up again. The entire valley very windy tomorrow, especially at the coast, but winds could again gust up over 40 to 50 miles per hour in spots tomorrow afternoon, then finally die off tomorrow night. It may remain rather windy at the coast tomorrow, even into the nighttime hours, but the wind should decrease in the valley by around Friday evening. This afternoon, sunshine, 79 degrees, gusty winds starting to pick up, and then clear or mainly clear skies, but windy weather continues late this afternoon and this evening. We did have some rain overnight, even a couple of weak thunderstorms if that woke you up around like 2 or 3 in the morning. We'll show you the estimated rainfall totals earlier. Some places did get up to about an inch of rain, but now it's all dry and probably looking dry all the way through the weekend. Future track, here comes that cold front, 2 p.m. It's just kind of on the northern edge of the valley, comes through with basically no cloud cover, just kicks the winds up and gets very windy the rest of this afternoon and into tonight. Clear skies tonight, and we'll be getting colder. Temperatures likely ending up in about the upper 40s or so by tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow it stays windy again, more sunshine. I mean, it looks nice outside, but it will be very windy. Temperatures will be cooler. We'll probably only make it into about the 60s in the afternoon. And then Friday night, if you have plans, once the sun goes down, those temperatures drop back through the 50s and could be falling easily into the 40s by Saturday morning. It will be fairly chilly if you're up early on the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday morning. But with the clear skies tonight, if you can stand the wind and the chillier temperatures, the Geminate meteor shower peaks tonight up to 120 shooting stars per hour. That sounds impressive, but keep in mind, maybe to see that much, you have to be where it's really dark, like northern Hidalgo County, and the best time to see that is midnight to 6 a.m. So if you want to pull an all-nighter, you might see that. But there will still be some meteors late in the evening around 9 or 10 o'clock, but your best bet is to get away from city lights. If you're around the lights and the moon in the sky, that cuts down on your viewing and you won't see any of the fainter ones. But just look up if you're out there in the sky. Not only tonight, but tomorrow night there will still be a decent number too. So highs today in your first 1570 forecast near 81, but very windy this afternoon. And then the wind stays strong again tomorrow. Highs in the 60s on Friday, near 70 or so by the weekend. But look at the nighttime temperatures. It could be down in the 40s Friday morning, Saturday morning, maybe even 30s Sunday morning before we bounce back and warm up some with more sunshine through early next week. And we could see some showers as early again as Wednesday. We'll keep tracking those winds in your first 1-5 forecast.